Are you a site engineer living in a panic condition because of not knowing what and how to supervise the work at construction site? Then please listen to these site techniques tips which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Stage 1 supervision. Before start of the work of RCC structure wall of the retaining wall. Tip number 16. Ensure that the scaffolding wherever required is made prior to laying of concrete and is strong enough for the holding of weight of the people using it. Tip number 17. Ensure that checking of reinforcement bars is to be done a day before laying of concrete so that time is available for rectification if any. Tip number 18. Ensure that scaffolding is installed on the base plate and not on the other sliding base materials like stone, wooden planks, etc. Thanks for listening. We'll meet in the next video.